Good morning, students. So today I will discuss multiplying and dividing rational numbers. Okay. So first I will discuss multiplying rational numbers. Multiplying rational numbers. So if two rational numbers are given, suppose a upon b and c upon d. So what will be their product? What will be their multiplication? So if two rational numbers a upon b and c upon d are given, so we will multiply like this, and in that we will see that if numerator of any rational number is divisible by denominator of same rational number or by another rational number, if both numerator and denominators are divisible by same number, then we will divide it. Okay. And same rule for this numerator of second rational number, that can be divisible by, okay, means numerator of second and denominator of first or second, if both divisible by any number, then also we will divide it. Okay. And if not divisible by any number, numerator and denominator are both, then directly we multiply their numerators and denominators and find AC upon BD. Okay. So AC, A into C numerators. So AC upon product of denominators. Okay. So by one example you understand. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So here not divisible, so multiply their numerators. So 1 3 are 3 and 2 4 are 8. One more example you see, 2 by 4 into 8 by 6. Okay. So here you see 2 1 are 2 3 are 4 1 are 4 2 are. So 2 by 3. This also we can do like this. 2 1 are 2 4 2 2 are 4. But by same number you have to divide. Okay. And 2 3 are 2 4 are again by 2. So 2 by 3. Okay. So like this we will multiply. Okay. And if more than two rational numbers, then also same rule we will follow. Okay. Then dividing rational numbers. Dividing rational numbers. So suppose that two rational numbers a upon b, that is divided by c by d. Okay. So in division also we convert division in multiplication. But one change after converting in multiplication. So a by the first rational number, that will be same and it is you write. Okay. And second rational number, when this symbol we convert in multiplication, okay, then c upon d will convert in its reciprocal. And reciprocal we know that reciprocal of a number interchanging by their numerators and denominators, we find a reciprocal. Okay, like c upon d, so their reciprocal will be d upon c. So now it is converted in multiplying rational numbers. So same, multiply their numerators and denominators separately. Okay. So one example you see, like 1 upon 2 divided by 3 by 2. So 1 by 2, then multiply converted in, division converted in multiplication. So 3 by 2, they are reciprocal. Then simplify. So 2 1 ja 2, then 1 upon 3. Okay. So now we can start exercise. Okay. So exercise 1C. We will start. So exercise 1C, in that question number 1, their first part. Okay. So minus 3 by 4 into minus 8 by 9. And before multiplying, one rule also you see. Okay. When we multiply same sign, then their product will be positive. Sorry, multiplying means two negative numbers, if we multiply, their product will be positive. Two positive numbers we multiply, their product also will be positive. But in case of opposite sign, means one negative and the positive are first positive and the negative. In that case, their product will be negative. So this rule also you have to learn. For division also same rule. If we divide same sign numbers, so their product, sorry, their division, that will be positive. And opposite sign, so their division will be negative. So for multiplication and division, this rule same. Okay. So you have to learn also this, and you have to apply questions. So here both negative, so their product will be positive. So now multiply 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So multiply the numerators 2 and here 3 1 ja. Okay. So 1 no need to write. Okay. We understand that here is 1. So 2 1 ja 2 and 3 1 ja 3. So this will be answer. Part D, 17 upon 30 into 45 upon 51. Here both positive numbers, so their product also will be positive. So 17 1 ja, 17 3 ja, 15 3 ja, 15 2 ja, 3 1 ja. So 1 by 2. Clear? So like this we will do. Then question number 2. Their first part, 6 into 1 2 by 3. So 6 means 6 by 1. Okay. And 1 2 by 3. So convert in improper fraction. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Then simplified 3 2 ja, so 2 5 ja 10. 10 by 1 means 10. Part C, 2 1 by 9 into minus 7 by 38. So first convert in improper fraction. 9 2 ja 18 plus 1, 19 by 9 minus, into minus 7 upon 38. So one positive and the negative, so their product will be negative. So 19 2 ja, then multiply it. So this will be answer. Okay. Then question number 3. 25 by 4 into minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 9 upon 11 into 22 upon minus 35. Okay. So here 4 rational numbers. Okay. Their product we have to find. Okay. So first you see their sign. Okay. So how many negative numbers? 1 2 3. Clear? So if odd number of negative numbers, so their product will be negative. If even number of negative numbers, then their product will be positive. Means here minus into minus, that will be plus, and here also, so plus into minus, minus. But suppose here only 4 numbers given. Suppose that anywhere more numbers given, so in that we will see that if negative numbers, their number odd number, okay, means count it 1 2 3, so 3, that is odd number, so their product will be negative. If even number, then their product will be positive. So here odd numbers, so their product will be negative, so we will write negative sign. Okay, then write numbers 25 by 4 into 8 by 9 into, convert it in proper fraction. So 11 3 are 33 plus, okay, okay, so convert in improper. So 11 3 are 33 plus 9, okay, so 33 plus 9 42 upon 11 into 22 upon 35. Then simplify it. So 7 6 are 7 5 है, 5 5 है, 4 2 jar, okay, 11 2 jar, 3 3 jar, 3 2 jar. So multiply 5 2 jar 10, 2 jar 20, 2 jar 40. So minus 40 upon 3. Okay. So 1C their question number 3rd. Okay. Their answer will be, okay, so minus 40 upon 3 convert in mixed fraction, so minus 13 upon 1 by 3, that will be answer. Okay, then question number 4. So 1 2 3 related multiplication. So question number 4. 44 upon 65 divided by 11 upon 13. So told you in concept that if dividing rational number, so second number by which we are dividing, so division sign convert in multiplication, and 11 upon 13 they are reciprocal, so 13 upon 11. After that converting in multiplication of rational numbers, then 11 4 ja 13 5 ja, so 4 by 5. Clear? So part D, 115 divided by minus 23 by 5. Same. So 115 you can write like this upon 1. If any number that is given integer, so their denominators you can write 1, and here write their reciprocal second number. So minus 5 upon 23, 23 5 ja, so 5 into 5 and one positive another negative, so their product will be negative, minus 25. Question number 5, part A, minus 1 11 upon 14 divide minus 1 7 upon 18. So first convert in improper fraction. So this minus 25 upon 14 divided by minus this 25 by 18. So minus, and division of two negative rational numbers, that also will be positive. So you can now write like this and convert this in multiplication. So write their reciprocal. So this cancel, 2 7 ja 2 9 ja, so 9 by 7 convert in mixed fraction. So 1 2 by 7. Similarly part D, 1 1 upon 12 divided by 2 5 upon 17. Okay, so this 13 upon 12 divided by 39 upon 17. So 13 upon 12 into, right, reciprocal of 39 upon 17. So 17 upon 39. 13 3 ja, so 17 upon 36. Okay. Then question number 6. Okay. So 6 there, 4 by 9 divide 4 by 7. Okay. Then multiply 1 2 by 7. So here first we solve brackets. Okay. So after solving bracket, then we will multiply by that second number. Okay. So 4 by 9. So how dividing you know? Then reciprocal of second number 7 upon 4. Okay. Into, now you can open the bracket when converting in multiplication sign. Okay, and write improper 1 2 by 7 in improper fraction. So now simplify, cancel 9 9 cancel 7 7. So answer will be 1. Okay. One more you see that question number 8. Okay, last question of this exercise. So minus 8 by 5 divided by 12 into minus 5 by 6 divided by minus 2. So first you solve brackets. So minus 8 upon 5 into 12, they are reciprocal 1 upon 12 into minus 5 by 6 minus 2, they are reciprocal minus 1 by 2. So product of negative and positive number, negative number. Okay. So minus 8 by 5 into 1 upon 2. Here also both negative, so their product will be positive. Then simplified, cancel 2 4 ja 4 3 ja, so minus 1 upon 18, that will be answer. Okay, and remaining questions you try from yourself. Okay, thank you.